Here's how you can install the Miravia Shop Connector module in your Shopify store. Create and install a custom application. The steps to create a custom application are easy and simple. From your Shopify dashboard, click on Settings, Apps and Sales Channels. Click on Develop Applications. Click on the Create an Application button. In the modal window, enter the name of the application and click the Create Application button. Then click on Configure Management API Scopes. Check the permissions for the following API scopes. Click Save and then click Install Application. Once this is done, you will get the access token, the API key, and the secret key. Copy and save the access token, as it can only be revealed once. Connect your Shopify account. After entering all the details, click the Connect button and the Shopify application will connect successfully. Congratulations, the Miravia Shopify connector is successfully installed.